Before the last trip to Moab, I had planned on relocating the steering stabilizer in the front. So I got this Jock relocation bracket that I was going to be using in unison with this bracket from Steer Smarts, as well as the heavy duty XD Track Bar, made of solid steel construction and very heavy duty.
First things first, get this track bar off of this Jeep. The next order of business is to get the steering stabilizer taken off, but before I do so, I want to take a measurement eye to eye. That way when I go and mount this thing, I can just transfer it in and I don't have to worry about trying to figure out where it's supposed to go, check the throw. I can just mount it at the same measurement. I should be good to go as long as I don't turn the wheels or move anything else. So I'm going with that. 17 3/16. See if I can measure out the end. 17 3/16. So I'm gonna go with that.
For the Steer Smarts relocation bracket, they require that you drill a hole to the left of the track bar bolt. So you end up making a mark with a marker and drilling a hole. So after a little bit of work, I got it in. It's all mounted, clamped. See how it clamps over here. So it's a little sleeker setup. It definitely picks it up off the ground a bunch. I mean, it was way down here before, now it's up high. So now I get to wrestle with the brand new track bar and get that all done up, get that installed, and this project should be done for a little bit. Here it is. So as I go and assemble these, I'm going to be putting anti-seize on it, or molly paste, whatever you want to call it. I should probably put it on the inside of the collar. It doesn't call for it, but at the same time, I'm sure it's just going to be much more long term if I do this, and you
drive around these New England roads, the salty roads, they just get everything all crappy and everything starts seizing up after a year or two. Not to say it still won't with all this anti-seize in it, but it's definitely going to help. One is lefty and one is righty. There's a lefty. Whoa, that's a heavy one. This one goes to the right. This way. Get a good forearm workout doing this. It's like 34 3/16. That. Oh, when I speak of a good forearm workout, I'm just realizing now that these clamps will not go past the ends to get to the center section. I should have put these on before. Now I gotta unscrew it all. Damn it.
Because of the placement of the steering stabilizer, I realized right away that I had to run the clamps upside down to make sure that they didn't rub. After cycling the steering a couple of times, I realized that I was rubbing on the head of a bolt, so I had to flip the bolt, and also the bracket was moving. So, me being me, I'm gonna weld that sucker on. So after a couple of days of curing, this slab's looking pretty slick. It's nice, it's flat, and I'm really excited to get started building on this. I gotta go and start purchasing lumber and figuring out all the materials I need to buy, but I definitely have a nice work surface now. The Jeep should be able to fit in here nice. Car can fit in here. My tools can fit in here. I'll be able to roll around on the ground. Yeah, it's pretty slick. And on top of that, I also got the front walkway done. I got it done in concrete. That way there's no more patio block crap going on. I still have to figure out a drainage here. But yeah, things are starting to improve. We're gonna have a nice garage soon. Place to work on vehicles and store goodies and dirt bikes and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, that's
me wrapping up this little project and on to the building part. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.